In this video, we are going to talk about Signal Messenger app. In the January, Elon Musk, who is the co-founder of Tesla and also one of the richest men on the planet, said use Signal on his Twitter account. Jack Dorsey, who is the co-founder and CEO of Twitter social media platform, tweeted heart emoji when Signal app topped the charts on App Store. The Wall Street Journal tweeted that millions of users have flocked to Signal and Telegram, making them the top 2 free app downloads in Apple App Store and Google Play Store. So why is Signal app become so popular and who is the founder of this app? The Signal is an encrypted messaging application which was co-founded by Brian Acton, who is also a co-founder of WhatsApp Messenger app, which makes things interesting. Let us learn why Signal is becoming more popular among users. If you look at privacy policy on Signal website, then it says Signal does not sell, rent or monetize your personal data or content in any way. If you look at the Forbes article, you can see an image which has Apple App Store privacy labels. It clearly shows that this app has least data about its users. The Signal Messenger app has just phone number for login purposes and the functionality of the app, and that's it, which makes it a very privacy friendly messenger app. But wait, this app also has end-to-end encryption technology which provides security to the users. So the number one reason people are switching to this app is privacy combined with security. Now let us look at some of the features of the Signal Messenger app. When you launch the app, it would be blank. Then you have to find the contacts that have joined the Signal app by clicking on pencil icon at the bottom of the app. You can also create the group by clicking on new group option. On the top right corner, the app has 3 dots that will give you option to invite friends to join the conversation. And you can also enter the settings page by clicking on settings option. SMS and MMS option gives the ability to make Signal default SMS app. The privacy option has a lot of features. For example, screen security option blocks the screenshots in the Signal messaging app. Incognito keyboards prevents the app what the user types to a third party and also disables the personalized suggestions. Always relay calls option in Signal will encrypt Signal calls over data network. So internet service provider or a hacker will not be able to see or hear the contents of the call. The IP address can often determine the location. So always relay calls hide the real IP address of the user. The app passes the calls through its Signal servers. The app also states that this can reduce the quality of the calls. So you can choose it if you want to increase maximum privacy. App also has read receipts turn off option. If you do not want the other person to know that you have read the message. Typing indicators are the indicators which appear in the form of animated dots that lets other person to know that you are typing a message. Turning it off means that both the parties will not be able to see typing indicators while typing the message. So if you want to increase maximum privacy, you can turn this off or leave it as it is. Sealed sender is just an additional protection which allows senders and receivers to send messages to each other, but Signal server will not know who is sending messages to whom. This is a way to increase maximum privacy on Signal Messenger app. New Signal privacy feature removes sender ID from metadata. Signal registration lock stops your account from being hijacked on a new phone. You will be asked to enter this PIN the next time you register your phone number with Signal. Your profile, settings and the contacts will restore when you reinstall the Signal app. But if a user forgets this PIN, then he has to wait for 7 days to recover the app. You can also enable the dark mode by clicking on 3 vertical dots on the top right corner, then clicking on Settings option. After that, scroll down a little bit and tap on Appearance option. Now click on Themes option. Now the first option is System Default, which can change your app's theme based on device theme. The second one is Light theme, which the app is currently running now. And the third one is Dark option. Tap on Dark option. Now, as you can see, the whole user interface has changed to dark theme. So this was the quick introduction of the Signal Messenger app. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.